Look at that. Jesus holding the bird nest tucked under his arm. And I just think about the Bible verse that says, Jerusalem, Jerusalem, how often have I wanted to gather your children as a chick gathers her hens, or hold on, we got it backwards, as a hen gathers her chicks underneath her wing, and yet you were unwilling. So let's just look at that again as we think about how Jesus wants to gather us under, or over in this case, his arm, over his shoulder. Isn't that one of the most tender things you've ever seen? And think about how often we are unwilling to surrender ourselves to Jesus in that way. May God bless you.